YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to transfer your WhatsApp chats from one Android phone to another. This will work if you have a new instance of WhatsApp installed on a new Android phone. To get started, what you want to make sure is that both Android phones have sufficient charge because this transfer process will take a few moments. You also want to make sure that both Android phones will have Wi-Fi enabled. They don't necessarily need to be connected to an internet Wi-Fi router, as this process creates a direct local peer-to-peer connection. And of course, you want to make sure WhatsApp is installed on both phones. So to get started, what you want to do is actually open up WhatsApp on your first phone. Once you have WhatsApp opened up, you want to jump into Chats, and then you want to hit Chats. And then from there, what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look for Transfer Chats. From there, what you want to do is hit Transfer Chats, and then you can hit Start, making sure that you have Wi-Fi enabled to start the transfer process. So once you hit Start there, it will start preparing the chats for transfer, and then it will ask you to enter this code in on the new phone. So you want to open up WhatsApp on your new phone. From there, what you want to do is when you have WhatsApp installed on your new phone, you're going to get prompted to restore or transfer chats. So then you want to select transfer from old phone and then allow permissions for nearby Wi-Fi devices. You can then enter this code in on the new Android phone, and then you'll be able to transfer your chats. A progress bar will show up that will show the percentage of chat history and the media being transferred. You want to keep both phones unlocked and stay inside the WhatsApp application while this transfer is completed. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to transfer your old WhatsApp chats from a new old Android phone to a new Android phone. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.